Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth subdivision in question 4 from exercise 8.3. Prove the identity square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is secant A plus tan A. So first let's write out the function that we are going to prove. So it is root of 1 plus sin A whole thing divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. This is what we are supposed to prove. So let's start with the LHS of this. So LHS is in square root. So first let's work on removing that. So what is given is root of 1 plus sin A, the whole thing by 1 minus sin A. If you see 1 minus sin A cos A or 1 plus sin A on cos A, you can simply take the conjugate. So here it is 1 minus sin A. I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A. So the numerator will actually become 1 plus sin A the whole square. So because of this multiplication, we are not going to do the actual multiplication. I'm writing it in square. The denominator will become 1 minus sin squared A. The whole thing is still lying in the roots. Now let's actually change this. So in the numerator, I'm retaining this 1 plus sin A, the whole square as such. The denominator is 1 minus sin squared A, which is actually cos squared A. Remember, I've still not removed the roots, so I've placed it again. So now let's apply the roots. So because the square is there and there is a square root, I'm simply cancelling out. So the numerator becomes 1 plus sin A. The denominator will become cos A. Now you can split this fraction as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So this means 1 by cos A is secant A and sin A by cos A is tan A. So this gets our RHS. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.